Good morning, all. Camelback Trading 2724 and the pitfuturestrading.com coming to you this Wednesday morning, January 8th. We're looking at the last 4 days of the SPY ETF on the market profile. And a couple of things last night will tell us. Number one, we said volatility should be back in force this year in 2020. Well, so far early in the year, we're certainly seeing that, so that's going to be a nice sign. Number two is Jim Dalton says overnight trading is in the weakest hands, and boy, they couldn't have proved that more last night as they ripped the SPY down, which closed just under 323, down to 317. 6 points they ripped it down on tweets, headlines, news stories. Not one of them was founded to be true at the time, and then ripped it right back up. I can't imagine how many people got whipsawed last night. So, and look where we are. Right back inside yesterday, which was an inside day. So that brings us to today's action and what we should be looking for today. Right now, we're looking at the top of balance above value on this inside day. My first destination on the upside is 322.98, which was 12 wide. If we open above it, it will be a downside destination. Then we have yesterday's high of 323.54, the previous day's high of 323.73. So that should both, if we take out yesterday, that should fall fairly easily. And then above that, we have the weekly high, an all-time high of 324.89, and the overnight high of 325.25 for our downside. If in the next hour we gap higher, then we would use yesterday's high as our first destination on the downside. Then we would use 12 wide, which I had just given you, if we open above it. Now, below that, we don't have anything till we get more market-generated information till yesterday's low, 322.24, 322.14 afternoon pullback low. Single prints, that trend day still holding from the 6, 321.88 to 75, and then 320.36 daily low. Game plan for this morning. I'm going to start saying it. The book. So basically, we had an inside day yesterday. You come out of an inside day, either to the upside or downside. You go with that trade, and you monitor it for continuation or lack of. So that's exactly what I will do today. So since we are trading at the upper end, take out yesterday's high and or gap higher, I will be buying calls. Okay, my first destination, depending on where we open, would be the previous day's high, and then eventually the all-time high. Now, a couple things to keep in mind on that. Number one, you'll be coming to the top of a 15-day balance, right? Balance rule is going to come into play. So I certainly don't expect to get to an all-time high and rip through it, right? We know the balance rules. I'm not going to go over them again. But I would look for it to at least attempt to get there if we take out these 2 days' highs. The second thing is we have non-farm payrolls tomorrow. So if we do start going up there, the question is how much of these hours going to want to make a new high and or extend it. If we come out of it to the upside and fail, I am out of that trade immediately because odds are you're going to trade down to POC if we hadn't traded there yet. So that's my call play. Put play, basically what I just said. If we come out of it and then fail and get accepted back into yesterday's range, might take a put play because odds are you're going to trade down to the POC. So those would be the two plays early in the morning for this inside day. And then chart-wise, we'll just go over quickly. Weekly, 2.5 week balance right now. Right? Question is the auction to the upside getting tired as we can't get away from previous highs? That remains to be seen. And the same on the daily. 15-day balance, inside day. That should give us a good indication. If we come out of it and hold it, we should start attacking the all-time highs. If we come out of it to the downside, we should start attacking the bottom of the 15-day balance. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.